Do you feel that you're stuck? That things are not happening the way you expected them to happen? You want to do some great things in life, but there are so many people and situations that are stopping you from achieving your goal. Well, then this is the story that you would like. The story is of a young village boy who, with zero knowledge, with very less or in fact no support, and with minimum resources, has achieved some great success that we could ever think of. This is a story of a boy who at a tender age of 8 years has shown to us that if you believe in your dreams and are determined to achieve them, then age is just a number. This is a story of Shubham Jaglan. Shubham Jaglan was born with shiny eyes full of dreams in a sleepy village of Israna in the district of Panipat, Haryana. Shubham belonged to the family of wrestlers, and it was well believed that he would soon join the family profession. But life had something else in store for him. One fine morning, his grandfather introduced him to the game of golf, a sport yet unknown to the village. An NRI had started a golf academy in his village, and a 5-year-old Shubham was enrolled into the academy. Soon after joining, he was hit by a golf stick on his forehead, followed by 5 stitches. Yet he showed up at the academy the very next day. As days passed by, the family opposition to his sport grew, but his grandpa stood against all odds. While this wasn't less, the academy shut down in 2 months, shattering the little boy's dreams. Yet Shubham kept his journey on, and with minimum resources at hand, the young boy started practicing in his farm. With no coach to help, he turned to YouTube for guidance and began to learn the game. Slowly and gradually, he learned the basics of golf and started participating in local tournaments. Many a times, he was rejected from the events for being too young to compete against a 13-year-old group of golfers. And while carving out his way through these tournaments and events, Shubham came in contact with Mr. Amit Luthra of Golf Foundation. This meeting turned out to be historic for Shubham, and he has never looked back after that. The scout for the foundation, Ms. Nonita Lal Qureshi, watched Shubham's talent and decided him to move to Delhi for next level of training. His parents were frightened with the thought of Shubham being shifting to Delhi, but the 6-year-old Shubham didn't have a single iota of doubt on relocating to Delhi for the love of his game. Once in Delhi, Shubham practiced the game rigorously. He worked day and night and showed up for every big or small tournaments that held. He contested for events with all his force and managed to carve his name on every trophy as a winner. While just at age 8, his performance took him to the Junior World Championship 2013 in Las Vegas, the US, where he emerged as a winner and finally became the world champion. Today at age 16, Shubham has won more than 100 events. He has been the Junior World Champion for record 4 times. Today, Shubham intends to play regularly on the world's most popular PGA Tour and become India's first major golfer and winner. The story of Shubham Jaglan is an inspiration to all of us. For no matter where you are, what stage in life you stand, if you have a dream and strong belief, you too can awaken the genius within you and create wonders in your life. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe and share your feedback in the comments section. We would soon be back to tell you a story of yet another champion who awakened the genius within him. Thank you.